Alti finally left the group chat.
Let's get the party started. See you at the bar, you was hardly talking. That's when I knew that your heart was scarring. Friends to lovers need a party starring. Like, wait, babe, let me ask your pardon. This ain't Gucci, this is Prada, darling. If you want something, you can ask me, darling. And you started laughing, cause you think I'm joking. But looking in your eyes is the best thing. Brave lights giving me the red skin. You was in a bad mood when we stepped in.
This is life, baby.
We even checked in.
So, for context, my friends and I have been planning to go out as a group for the longest, and now we are finally in our final year, and we decided to go on this picnic/adventure at Kagoro Waterboard in Kaduna State. And in this vlog, you'll be seeing the preparation leading to the day of the picnic. That is, I made the small chops but forgot to record. And then you'll see us on our way to the location and at the location. So enjoy this vlog.
The group chat. Say hi. Hi.
Life move fast when you do what you want.
This is life, baby.
Let's get the party started. See you at the bar, you was hardly talking. That's when I knew that your heart was scarring. Friends to lovers need a part to star in. Like, wait, babe, let me ask your pardon. This ain't Gucci, this is Prada, darling. If you want something, you can ask me, darling. And you started laughing, cause you think I'm joking. But looking in your eyes, that's the best thing. Bright lights giving you the red skin. You was in a bad mood when we stepped in. No, you checked out before we even checked in. On the phone, you gon' vent to your best friend. The one who gave me the lecture, but I ain't gon' sweat you, babe. I'm a lecture. Catch up with your boy, undress you. Let me tell you why I'm a blessing.
There's no way in my mind, falling away in my heart. I know you feel the same way about me. You know I'm on me.
You want stand
I
up?
wanna be. My darling,
stand up?
can't you see?
Shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, snatch. Head, toes, shoulder, head, knees, shoulder, toes, knees, snatch.
We can get intimate, and we can get intimate. The shower when you singing it, better than Beyonce. I like the sound of Fiance.
MBB.
You know it's got a little ring to it, and really when I think of it,
Value,
growing up I didn't ever see
baby.
marriages. No weddings, no horse, no carriages.
It's all part
I wanna
of
do
the
things
thing.
different and change the narrative. God knows you are a wild child, beautiful child. I need your help. Looking like you come from the 90s by yourself. My mom's 61, and her favorite line to tell her son is sometimes you wish that she had a girl. I wanna take you back to a time, back to a trip. You had that white wine that I never got to sip, and dinner wasn't real cause you never got the pick. I know that everybody told me that I'm sick cause
So in my mind, falling away in my heart. I know you feel the same way you're with me. You know I'm on me. You're where I wanna be. My darling, can't you see? I love you.
It's recorded. I'm not recording, no.
lean with it, rock with it. Your finger, I could put a rock in it. Ring finger, I could put a rock in it. Bang God, they gon' put a block in it. Said rock with it. bounce in it. The left wrist, I could put my house in it. You wanna bet, babe, I could put my house in it. Babe, I could put my spouse in it. I said, shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, 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 yeah. 5'9" brown eyes, and she in the shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, 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 yeah. 5'9" brown eyes, and in the shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, 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 yeah. 5'9" brown eyes, and she in the shimmy, yeah, shimmy, 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 yeah. 5'9" brown eyes.
My mind falling away in my heart. I know you feel the same when you're with me. You know I'm all you need. You're where I wanna be. My darling, can't you see? I love you.
Hi guys, so I'm about to go home. The seminar we are supposed to have, they are not certain of it, so it's better I go home. Even if it's for 1 week, I am going home. I cannot stay in this school again. I've stayed 1 week after exams. I cannot afford to stay another week, so I'm going home. Here are the things I carried. Just that and my school bag. First time in history, I'm not packing my entire house, but I'll catch you on the road. Hi guys, so I couldn't vlog yesterday. When I was coming back, I couldn't vlog yesterday because I was put in that car like a sardine, so I could not even record anything on the road. But I went to the market today and I want to do a little unboxing. I've been creating content for, let's say, 3 years now or so, and I've never gotten a mic. So I got back from school and I decided to get myself a mic so that the quality of my content will get better. Like, this is such a big purchase for me. You guys don't know how much I want this, and how much I've always wanted this. Let me just open it and show you guys. Ooh. Oh, it has a normal Android mount. Then it has an iPhone mount. And it comes in this case. Okay, and then a Type-C mount. And this is the mic. This is the mic. And it's two. It's so cool. I've always wanted this and I'm so happy. So the best and the greatest thing I got. It's from Mona's Empire. I got myself a pair of Sambas. It's from Mona's Empire. I've opened this because I wanted to shoot small content. Look at that. It's Adidas Sambas. Guys, I'm so excited. When I have more money, I'm definitely getting this shoe in other colors. But this is so cute. So cute. So guys, I want to test the mic and see how great or how good the quality is. I don't know how good it is. So testing microphone. Testing microphone. 1 2 1 2. To be honest, this is not the best of qualities, but this is what I can afford now. So I'm going to make do of what I have until I can afford a better microphone. So I'm grateful for this.